Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words heard, hard and had. Heard, hard, and had are both past tense forms of verbs but are used in different contexts. Let's look at each one individually. Heard is a past tense of the verb hear, meaning to perceive sounds through the ear. For example, I heard a strange noise last night. She heard the news about the concert. Hard, an adjective, meaning solid, firm, or not easy to break, can also mean difficult. For example, the test was hard, but I studied a lot. He hit the ball hard. Had, past tense of the verb have, meaning to possess or hold, used to indicate ownership or experiences in the past. For example, I had a great time at the party. He had a bicycle when he was a child. To summarize, heard refers to perceiving sounds and is the past tense of hear. Had indicates possession or experience in the past and is the past tense of have. Hard describes something that is solid or difficult. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.